welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sapotansa. I make lifestyle content and a little bit of things that I'm interested in. It's a Friday, we're in Johannesburg South. It's currently 12 o'clock and we're going for hiking at Southern Klipriviersburg Nature Reserve. Maybe cinnamon tea or lemon tree. I think it's a lemon tea. While I'm waiting patiently for my wife, because I know she's gonna take forever to get here. Baby! Wafita? While waiting for her to finish, let me just unbox a goodie bag that I got from Knorr. Yesterday, I was attending an event yesterday, but I couldn't open the package, or I couldn't even vlog. So I want to open the package and see what did they offer us. This is the bag itself. I like the color. Attitude. Ooh. Yeah, I think. Oh, it's a power bank. Snap doesn't have power. Hey, these brands are giving us nice stuff. Oh, I like this. But I think my wife is probably gonna take it. Oh, snap, I like this. I know it's for hot stuff, but I'm probably gonna take it and keep something cold. Oh, foroko lemphaka bafana. A fucking knife. Oh, cell phone stand. Oh, carbonara itself. Y'all are sleeping on me, huh? Let's go, babe. I've been waiting for you.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light.
Initially, Mom wanted to take a red trail, but because it's long, we took a blue trail. So we took a trail, walking on the trail is amazing. But across the way, we wanted to climb the mountain. So we changed from a blue trail to the red trail.
We're taking the red one, eh?
Yeah, taking the red one.
Yeah.
The toughest one.
We're gonna go on the mountain. We're gonna go. Okay, no, it doesn't show.
Can't see the
from here.
mountain.
It looks like some animal will just come out and just bite the shit out of you. But let's go.
But after a few steps, she decided to go to the blue trail. Initially, we wanted to take a red trail, but she took a blue trail because it was looking a bit steep. So the journey was a bit high, a bit difficult for both of us, I believe. It was a bit difficult for both of us but mainly for her because she's not fit. I mean, she's not working out at the moment, but I've been putting her on like few exercises so she can just like keep the stamina. She's quite fit for someone who hardly exercise. I don't want to lie, and she's keeping up more than I expected.
You're going to vomit. Okay.
Let's go, baby.
This is your moment. It's a learning moment. It's a learning curve
Of what?
of learning patience. Relax.
Like in a patience.
Yeah, man. Okay, gee.
Please, sir.
You know what I'm not.
You took off first call to out like. Like, once off. Baby, it's got all the woman to it to go party. Chocolate away, Jillamus.
Let me finish, bro. I remember you got the first bite and the second bite.
Now, Mata, baby.
Baby. How about when you're finishing it?
What happened to my lunch bar?
We change it, Thomas.
I will just go Mchaka. And not this one.
This is the red, Must.
How do we get back?
We can't, baby. At this point, we have to see it through. Been in the house for some time, so we just decided to have a date, just the two of us, without worrying about our baby girl. You still have to keep your relationship with your partner. As much as there's someone new in the relationship, you still have to keep the relationship with your partner. I think ultimately it took us an hour 30 minutes for I think 4.5 kilometers. It was hectic. I want to give her a taste of her own medicine.
Big. My kid. I don't have a to
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm getting it now. Ciao. The first thing that I do when I get home, a hot shower. Probably see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.